Welcome to Luxury 1272, your ultimate destination for luxury vehicle reviews. Today, we're diving deep into a true legend on wheels. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This isn't just any motorhome. It's an icon that redefines luxury, power, and adventure on the road. Known for its classic design and unmatched performance, the Kenworth W900 has been a symbol of prestige in the trucking world, and now, it's making waves in the luxury motorhome segment. In today's video, we'll be focusing solely on its exterior, exploring its design, performance-oriented features, historical significance, and the elements that make it stand out. This motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making a statement wherever you go. Whether you're an enthusiast of powerful rigs or a lover of luxury travel, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is sure to captivate you. Let's begin with a brief look at its history. The Kenworth W900 first hit the roads in 1961, and since then, it has been synonymous with power, durability, and style. Originally designed as a heavy-duty truck, it quickly became a favorite among long-haul drivers for its robust build and timeless design. Over the decades, it evolved but stayed true to its classic look, maintaining the long nose and bold stance that make it instantly recognizable. In 2025, Kenworth takes this legacy to a whole new level with the W900 Motorhome. It retains the iconic design elements that enthusiasts love but with modern touches that redefine luxury and performance. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece that combines the ruggedness of a heavy-duty truck with the opulence of a luxury vehicle. At first glance, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome commands attention with its bold and timeless design. The long nose hood is an unmistakable trademark, giving the motorhome a powerful and majestic presence. This design isn't just about aesthetics, it also enhances dynamics, providing better airflow for improved performance and efficiency. The front grille is iconic and instantly recognizable. It's large, bold, and finished in chrome, giving the W900 a distinguished look. The vertical bars and mesh pattern not only add to the aggressive stance but also provide optimal airflow to the engine bay, ensuring that the powerful engine remains cool even on the longest journeys. Flanking the grille are the round, chrome-finished headlights. These aren't just about nostalgia, they are equipped with modern LED technology for superior visibility. The circular design pays homage to the classic W900 models, while the advanced lighting system ensures safety and style, even during night drives. The bumper is massive and muscular, finished in polished chrome that adds a touch of elegance. It's designed to withstand the rigors of the road while maintaining a sophisticated look. The integrated fog lights enhance visibility in harsh weather conditions, ensuring that this motorhome is ready for any adventure. The hood features beautifully sculpted lines that add a sense of motion even when the motorhome is stationary. These contours aren't just for show, they improve aerodynamics, reducing drag and enhancing fuel efficiency. It's a perfect blend of tradition and modern engineering. The signature Kenworth hood ornament sits proudly at the tip of the nose. It's not just a badge, it's a symbol of heritage, power, and prestige. Polished to perfection, it adds a touch of classic elegance, reminding you that this motorhome is built on decades of trucking excellence. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome continues to impress with its commanding and muscular stance. The long wheelbase and extended body give it a majestic presence, while the clean, bold lines enhance the streamlined look. It's a perfect blend of power and luxury, making it a head-turner on the highway. One of the standout features is the polished chrome side steps. They not only add to the premium look but also provide easy access to the cabin. The fuel tanks are seamlessly integrated under the side panels, finished in chrome to maintain the cohesive and luxurious design. The W900 rides on massive aluminum wheels. These aren't just about aesthetics, they are engineered for durability and performance. The multi-spoke design adds a dynamic flair, complementing the rugged yet sophisticated look of the motorhome. The wheel arches are accentuated with bold fender flares, giving the W900 a muscular and robust character. These flares are not just for style, they protect the body from debris and dirt, ensuring that the motorhome maintains its flawless finish even after rugged adventures. One of the most striking features of the side profile is the chrome exhaust stacks, rising majestically behind the cabin. They are not just functional but also a statement of power and tradition. Polished to a mirror finish, they add a touch of classic trucker style, paying homage to the W900's trucking heritage. The side mirrors are large and bold, finished in chrome to complement the overall design. They are aerodynamically shaped to minimize wind noise while providing a wide field of view, enhancing safety and convenience. The windows are beautifully contoured, enhancing the sleek and elegant look of the motorhome. The chrome window surround adds a sense of luxury, while the tinted glass provides privacy and UV protection. It's a blend of style and functionality that caters to the modern luxury traveler. The roofline is beautifully contoured, flowing smoothly towards the rear. It's not just about looks, it enhances aerodynamics, improving stability at high speeds. The integrated roof rails add both functionality and style, enhancing the adventurous character of the W900. Moving towards the rear, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome showcases a bold and imposing design. The full-width LED taillight is a standout feature. A continuous strip of light stretches across the tailgate, giving the motorhome a futuristic and sophisticated look. This design enhances visibility while making the W900 instantly recognizable at night. The rear bumper is sculpted and muscular,